Hello and very warm welcome to all of you, my dear friends. How are you all? I hope all of you are very fine. My name is Arnab Bhattacharjee and today we will be discussing use of have, has and had. So how to use these words? So for this I have written here three sentences. By this we will understand that where should we use which word. So let us see that I have written three sentences. I have done the work, I did the work, I had done the work. Can you tell me, is there anything wrong or is there or all of them sentences are correct? Anyone? If you anything that you know that you want to say, please tell me. No problem. If you don't know, let me there. I am here. Let me tell you. Okay, so here I will explain you that here in the first sentence, here it is written, I have done the work. So I have, where do we use have? We use have in recent past, where we have done something in recent past. Like I have done this now, I have done this today. So anything that is done in the recent past, where we are using the sentences in present, we do not need to tell the time. So in this sentence, I have done the work. That means done, work is done in recent past. So here this sentence will be correct because here this work is done in past, recent past. We have not used any time. This is correct. But when we talk about I did the work, I did is what? It is past tense because it is verb second form V2. That is I did the work. So I did the work, when we are telling this I did the work, that means something which has done sometime in past. So how do we tell that some work has done in the past? We do tell it by telling the time. Like if I say I called you, but when did I call you? I called you yesterday. I called you day before yesterday, or I called you last year, I called you last month. Whenever we are telling the time, that means I have done something in past. So when you are telling in the past, it means you have to use the time to determine that it has done in the past. So here I did the work, but we have not used any past time. So this one will be wrong. But if we use a past time like I did the work yesterday, then this sentence will become correct because we have used the time here, past time. So this will be correct. I did the work yesterday. But if I say I did the work today, I did the work today, no, then we have to use this word because it is present. Today is what? It is present tense. So it will become present perfect. I have done the work today. But when we are talking that we have done something in past, we use did or verb second form. And now here if we come, I had done the work. When do we use had? Had is used when something is done before a particular time or before a particular action has taken place. For example, I had done the work before you called me. That means you called me at some time, you know that, and before that, before you called me, I had done the work. So this is what that means. I had done the work before you called me. That means something which is done before an action which was taken in past. Which was taken in past. That means before that I have done the work. So here we use I had done the work. Until then, if I say only I had done the work, no, this one is wrong. But if you use I had done the work before you called me, that means before any work or action has taken place in past, I had done the work, that means this one will be correct. Had is used before any action has taken places. There we have to use had. Got it? I hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, please do comment me and I will explain that. Thank you for watching.